Most people are using ChatGPT wrongly, and that is why they are not seeing results. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use it like a pro to work smarter, save time, and level up any area of your life. At the end of this video, you have 5 actionable ways to get real results. Hello loves, my name is Utopat and I'm a fashion, beauty, lifestyle and self-growth content creator. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you're subscribed already, welcome back to the channel. ChatGPT can help you in so many aspects of your career or your life as a whole. You just have to know how to ask correctly. When I was about to start my professional exam, I used ChatGPT in planning my reading schedule, how I like what I read, and also even things that I don't understand on topics I read about. I went to ChatGPT and asked my home workout, because I normally do home workout instead of going to the gym. I don't go to the gym always. I go to the gym like 2 times in a week. ChatGPT helped me plan specific workout for the specific thing I want to achieve. So many things. The first thing on the list is be specific with your prompts. The more specific you are, the more specific answer you will get. And the more vague you are, the more vague answers you will get. Instead of just saying, help me get fit, say, give me 4 week home workout plan for a beginner with just only resistance band. The more specific you are, the more specific answer it will give you. Instead of just saying, I want to grow on TikTok, give me plan on how to grow on TikTok. Say, I want to grow on TikTok. I am currently 100 followers and I want to get to 2,000 followers by the end of the month or by the end of 2 months. Give me specific ideas on content on this basic topic, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, or anything that is related to what you do. And after you say that, you can go further by saying, I I'm currently a 9 to 5 worker and I can't be posting every single day in a week. So give me specific days to post that align with my job. You can actually be specific to that extent. When I wanted to start my own TikTok journey, I started with 100 followers and I knew I was not going to be that busy, so I could post every day. So I gave it a particular plan and a particular goal I wanted to achieve at that period of time, and it created a content schedule based on what I wanted. It told me when I'm going to post pictures, when I'm going to post videos, which particular videos I should post, what time I should post that is working for people in Nigeria. And as you go further and further, you will see which particular one works and which one does not work. You can actually come back again and tell it, oh, I realized that 9 p.m. works faster than 7 p.m. So redirect my content to be posting at 9 p.m. and what to post during the weekends and what to post during the weekdays. That's how easy ChatGPT is. The second thing on the list is use it as a brainstorming partner and not a replacement for everything. GPT can generate answer faster than Google search these days, but ChatGPT is not you. The answers or the idea it gives you, use it in your own way, twist it to the way it will suit you, and make it work out for you. Instead of always asking it on every single thing you want to do, just you have to have an idea of what you want to do, then ask it to give you direction of step-by-step process to be able to actually achieve the goal. For example, I want to decorate this my room. I have a plan on how I'll actually decorate the room. I want the bed to be facing this way, and but I don't know where the picture should be, or I don't know where the mirror should be, or I don't know where a table should be. You can ask ChatGPT to give you direction on which particular one. You can take a picture of the room and give it to ChatGPT to specify on the best placement for each of the item. But there's different, because you already know that, okay, you put picture in the room, you put mirror in the room, you put table in the room, but you don't know the specific place or angle to put it. But ChatGPT can help you in that. That's it's not actually giving you everything, it's just giving you an idea of what to do with the idea you already have. You get? The third on the list is ask follow-up question. Don't just end with the first question you asked it. For example, the 4 week plan I said earlier, you can go further by saying, oh, I did a hip surgery or a leg surgery, or I usually have pain on my leg. So tailor this answer towards a person that has leg pain, and you will see that it will give you specific answer instead of just going plain. The fourth on the list is combine it with real world action. ChatGPT won't change your life unless you execute on it. For example, it can generate a study plan for you, but you have to actually study. It can create a workout schedule or a workout plan for you, but you have to actually work out or go to the gym to actually see results. It can create a content posting schedule for you, but you have to actually post this content. To get real transformation, there must be a plan and an action. The fifth on the list is you can use it for learning and skill building. You can make ChatGPT your personal tutor. You can ask it to teach you new skills, break down topics for you, quiz you on a specific topic that you don't even understand. For example, teach me the basic of Canva as a new YouTuber trying to gain subscribers. Teach me the step by step process on how to create a clickable thumbnail. Just like I said earlier, when I was preparing for my professional exam, I gave it questions that I don't really understand for it to actually break it down in a layman language for me. ChatGPT can break down topics for you in the way you understand it. You just have to ask it rightly. You can even actually tell it to quiz you on the topic you're currently reading. Let's say, like me now, let's say I was reading a topic on cardiovascular system, and I'll be like, oh, I'm preparing to write a professional exam in Nigeria. Can you give me 10 questions on cardiovascular system using the Nigerian nursing standard? It will give you exactly the questions based on what you ask. So you just have to ask and ask correctly for you to be able to give you the right answers. You can use ChatGPT to learn skill. I have a friend that used ChatGPT in drawing out her patterns for each clothes she wants to actually sew, and she paired the answers with YouTube videos. You can actually use ChatGPT on any skill you actually want to learn. You just have to give it the specific prompts on what you want, and it will give you the answers. You don't have to wait behind. You don't have to keep making excuses that you have to go to a fashion school or you have to pay $80 to professionals that already know how to do a specific skill. You can start from ChatGPT. Then when you can afford the skills, paying this for the skills, then you can actually pay. But for now, ChatGPT is a very, very big world on its own that people don't even know about. The difference between people that see results while using ChatGPT and people that don't see results is not luck, it's just how they use it. Start applying these tips and watch how faster you will grow and get your goals. If you need help on writing prompt on ChatGPT, you can comment below and I'll help you on how to write prompt on ChatGPT. So I hope this video helped, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.